simple to put this on your fuse box. All you're gonna do is just lay it on right here when it comes on for precise fit. There's an existing OEM bolt in your inside fender wall. You're gonna undo and just put it back on. It's pretty simple, just like this. It goes right onto your car, and that's an existing OEM mounting point. And then we also use the other existing OEM mounting point, which is on your fuse box. You'll see it right here. We'll put it on, and it will come with 1/4 inch bolt. When you order our carbon fiber fuse box cover, it's basically come on just like this. Same thing. All you're gonna do is just put it right on here. It comes with 2 brackets, pretty simple. One right here that comes underneath and it's stuck on by 3M mounting tape. And then you also got this bracket that will come right here, just like this one of these, already mounted. And you stick it on with 3M mounting tape and bolt on the bracket for the fuse box. It's that simple, guys.